Yes, people, it's been a very long time, but FadaGugs is here today with a very simple but very effective video. You see, today we're gonna make a nice and simple green juice with only 3 ingredients: cucumber, celery, and I'm gonna put a nice piece of aloe vera inside it. So you see, when you blend up all of them ingredients here, you're gonna have a very powerhouse juice. So you see that juice here now? That juice here can help manage your blood sugar. It have a good for your heart health. Hydration and digestive system, it can help support that as well. It have be good for your skin and your ear, your oral health, and loads more benefit. But what FadaGugs are gonna do, I'm gonna put a detailed description of all of them ingredients here down at the bottom, so you can have a look and read up on it yourself. So without further ado, what FadaGugs are going to do right now, I'm going to prepare all of the ingredients them, and then I'll get back to you. Now people, I've prepared all of the ingredients. Chop up the cucumber, chop up the celery, and we have a nice piece of aloe vera we have a peel and put on it. But how FadaGugs gonna do this juice? I'm gonna juice the celery and the cucumber through the juicer. So that's me have the natural juice from the celery and the cucumber, because I don't really want to add no water to it. But if you haven't got a juicer, you can use a blender and then you can just add a little water to it. Just cut up all the ingredients them same way with the aloe vera, and then just add it to your blender with a little bit of water, and then you're good to go. But FadaGugs are going to juice all of these ingredients, and then we're going to blend it up with the aloe vera. So here you have it now people, juice and everything ready. So we're going to start the process. So I'm not going to blend at least juice the cucumber first. That cucumber more softer than the celery, so you can go through the blender a bit quicker. So yes people, here we have it. I've juiced the celery and the cucumber. So we have a nice rich celery and cucumber juice. So what FadaGugs is gonna do now, just I go peel the aloe vera, drop it on the blender, and then use the juice from the celery and the cucumber, and then just blend it again. Like that. So do it in 2 pieces. That's a bit much. Basically, let's peel off one end. Yeah, just like that. So let me just get this out of the way. Give me a wash, and then I'll get back to you. So here you have it now people. Just the aloe vera. So we're gonna just throw the celery and cucumber juice on it, and just blend that up, and just give it a little strain, and you're good to go. Nice and healthy juice. It's nice. Just bring the blender a bit forward. ready to start the process of blending now, forget that natural green juice we are talking about. So we just have to blend it. And here you have it, people. Blend up on them one. Basically what we need to do now, just get a nice container because we have to strain it off. Just get a nice container and a strainer. And we just strain it. And then we are going to do a little bit of cucumber and celery, just like run it through the strainer, just add it to the rest of the mixture. And that's it. Green juice done. So here you have it, people. The final product. Green juice, aloe vera, cucumber and celery. So what I'm going to do now, I just pour it in a nice glass so you can have a proper look and see what I go on. That look nice. Put some of the ingredients then beside it just for kind of decorate it a bit. Just throw the rest of this glass in the background. So here you have it, people. A nice and very simple green juice. Only use 3 ingredients. As I said before, cucumber, aloe vera and celery. And don't forget all of the benefits that you can get from this juice. Like it can hydrate you, it can support your heart health, be low cholesterol, support the blood sugar management, your skin health, improve all oral health, and there's a lot more. And as I said before, I'll put a detailed description of each of the ingredients them down in the description section so you can go and have a look. So if you like the video today from FadaGugs, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the post notification so whenever time FadaGugs do a new video, you'll be one of the first to know. And always remember to share it with your friends, share it with your family, just share it all over. But for now, until next time, FadaGugs is out.